Hello everyone. So ngayon naman, ang i-discuss natin ay yung isa sa mga parts ng Chapter 1 which is definition of terms. Okay? So medyo marami ring nalilito rito ng konti and we are going to try na mapaliwanag natin, mabigyan ng instructions, papaano gagawin ng simple yung definition of terms. Ano yung mga tricks na po pwedeng gawin, no? Para magawa ito ng tama. First of all, I would like to remind everyone na pag nilagay natin definition of terms, lagyan natin siya ng opening statement. Again, depende ito sa university or college ninyo, pero sa atin, nilalagyan ito ng opening statement. So the following terms were defined operationally and conceptually for common understanding. So the following terms are defined operationally and conceptually for common understanding, meaning to say, you will have to define each term na nando doon sa definition of terms operationally and conceptually. Later on, I'm going to discuss paano ba gagawin yung operational at saka yung conceptual definition. So, ilagay yung opening statement. Okay? Number two, include your variables and domains. Ano bang mga kasama sa definition of terms? Isasama natin yung variables, okay? At saka yung definition of terms, or sorry, yung domains natin. So meron tayong example na nandito. Example natin is, ang title is the relationship between managers' leadership style and employees' organizational commitment. Kung minsan, niisip mo, ano ba talaga isasama ko sa aking definition of terms? Hindi na mahirap. For example, meron ka sa iyong conceptual framework, ang iyong IV or sorry, ang iyong one of your variables, total relationship ito, kahit magkapalit naman yung IV tsaka yung DV or kahit wala yung title. So yung isang variable natin is manager's leadership style or kaya naman leadership style. Okay? So ano yung leadership styles na tatlo? Ang tawag natin dito sa tatlo na ito ay domain or kaya naman ay sub-variable. Sabi dyan is number one is transformation, transactional, and then servant leadership yan. Yung isa naman, yung another variable that we have is organizational commitment. And we also have three domains, no, na nandito, which are affective, continuance, and affirmative. So, pag tinignan mo ang iyong conceptual framework, guess what? Yun na mismo ang ilalagay mo sa iyong definition of terms. Leadership style, transformational, transactional, servant, organizational commitment, affective, continuance, and affirmative. So meron ka ng 8 na ilalagay. So kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa conceptual, dapat nakabangga, align. Yun din ang inyong i-define. Okay? So maliwanag na yun kung ano yung variable at saka kung ano yung domain. So hindi na kayo mag-isip, ano ba talaga isasama ko rito? Yung mga may hirap ba na words ang isasama ko? Hindi. Kung ano yung mga importanteng words, kailangan ma-define natin operationally and conceptually. So this is very different from yung dictionary, kukunin mo yung mahirap na salita, i-explain mo, hindi ito yun. In research paper, yung mga variables and domains, yun yung kasama. Now, pwede ba kayong mag-add ng iba? For example, yung respondents niyo, po pwede naman yun. Walang problema. Pero wag mawawala itong basic natin. Hindi rin ito padamihan, okay? But the ones in your title, yun yung maganda na mailagay natin. So maliwanag So meron tayong introductory statement and then kinukuha natin sa conceptual framework yung ating mga ilalagay dyan. Now, how to define it? Ito na yung tricky part. How to define conceptually and operationally. By the way, bago ko pala makalimutan, kailangan yung domain natin, no, ito ay alphabetically arranged. Okay? So, in alphabetical order. Pagkatapos sa school natin, pagka nag-define tayo, diretso lang siya. Okay? So, kailangan alphabetical order. For example, mauna yung affective, okay, affirmative, tapos sunod-sunod and so on and so forth. So, meron tayong opening statement, kinuha natin sa conceptual, kailangan ay alphabetically arranged. Now, How are we going to define conceptually and operationally? Ito, makinig kayo mabuti. In my opinion, no, conceptual definition, ito ay kailangan one sentence. Mapagkasya natin sa one sentence. And also operational. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng operational definition? These are definitions na kinukuha natin, okay? Um, Based on the context kung paano mo ginamit yung term or yung word doon sa yung paper. Sir, paano ba namin gagawin yun? Paano namin kukunin based on the context? Mamaya, ituturo ko sa iyo yung operational definition after ko i-discuss kung ano yung conceptual definition, okay? So, nawala yung conceptual. Conceptual definition naman, dito, no, ito basically, no, pag sinabi natin conceptual, ito yung galing sa mga encyclopedia, no, galing sa mga dictionary, kung kayo ay management dictionary, behavior dictionary, basta galing doon yung definition natin, ang tawag doon ay conceptual definition. But again, no, kailangan pag kumuha ka na hindi galing sa'yo, ito ay i-cite mo yung source mo. Kanino nang galing yung source na yun. Again, conceptual is only one sentence. Wag niyong pahabain. Ganun naman ang definition. It has to be short. So, let me go back here. Tingnan natin. May explain ako sa inyo sandali paano magde-define. So, operational definition. For example, meron kayong variable. Unahin natin i-define si leadership style. Nandiyan dyan sa atin. Pag may domain kayo, ganito yung leadership style. Operational ako kasi conceptual, kukunin mo lang naman online eh. So ito yung operational, one sentence. Paano ko i-define yung leadership style? You can define leadership style pertaining to, in relation to, sa domains. Okay? So for example, leadership style. This leadership style pertains to transformational, transactional, and servant leadership. Okay? Ganun lang siya kadali. Kung ano yung domain, yun yung meaning, definition, operational definition ng iyong variable. Again, I will say it again. Leadership style pertains to transformational, transactional, and servant leadership. Okay? Pagka naman organizational commitment, same thing. This term or operational or organizational commitment pertains to, okay, effective, continuance, and affirmative. Okay? So organizational commitment pertains to effective, continuance, and affirmative. So yun ang definition natin. Now the next question is, paano naman natin i-define, for example, yung transformational kung wala ka namang domain? Paano mo i-define yung transactional? Yung mga domain kung wala naman siyang subdomain, okay, or subdomain. Ang gagawin natin is you are going to abstract your definition from the questionnaire. From the questionnaire. So, kung ano yung questionnaire nyo, dun ka kukuha ng operational definition. Let me give you an example na nandito sa atin. Okay? So, here's an example. Ito ay classroom. Sandali. Okay. So, ito na lang yung kunin natin na definition natin. Okay? So, ito is ang kanyang domain, for example, is classroom. Okay, positive diversity values, nakikita ninyo, no? Personal negative, okay? So kumuha ka ngayon ng definition from this one. Ano ibig sabihin ng classroom positive? Classroom positive pertains to how the class provides an environment of free and open expression of ideas. Okay? So dun mo siya kunin mismo. Okay? So for example, another term, tingnan nyo nandiyan dyan, nakalagay, the instructor encourages, okay? Classroom positivity pertains to how the instructor encourages equal participation of all students and how he makes or she makes them feel welcome in her classroom. So po pwede nyo siyang pagsamahin. But again, the definition will be crafted based on the questionnaire. Okay? Pinaparaphrase ko lang yung questionnaire at ginagawa ko siyang definition. So for example, diversity values. Diversity values pertains to the students' enjoyment in taking courses that challenge their beliefs and values. So the students' enjoyment in taking courses that challenge their beliefs and values. Okay? And also, pwede mo rin lagay na gano'n, enjoying students, enjoying talking with people who have values different from them. So, kinocontextualize mo, meron ka na ngayong operational definition. So again, yung operational definition na yon, nanggaling sa'yo, nanggaling sa questionnaire. Doon mo siya in-abstract. So yun yung dalawang klaseng questionnaire, yung una, yun yung dalawang klaseng definition. Yung una, yung conceptual. So conceptual, galing sa online, no? Galing sa dictionary, galing sa encyclopedia. One sentence lang, i-quote, no? I-cite kung sino yung source mo. And then yung operational naman, kung ano yung domain, yun yung definition ng variable. At pagkatapos yung domain naman, para ma-define mo siya operationally, just one sentence, maximum two. Kumuha ka doon sa mga tanong at yun ang gawin mong definition sa iyong definition of terms. Thank you so much and you all have a good one.